Hello there guys, today we're going to make a simple cookie cutter in Fusion 360. I'll put a link in the description if you're a more advanced user of Fusion 360 so you can use that tutorial as well. That's to make more complex shapes, but in this tutorial we're going to make basic shapes cookie cutter. If you're into baking, you're probably going to enjoy this, so you can learn from this and then go into the advanced tutorial and learn how to make your own cookie cutter shapes if you have a 3D printer and not have to go out to the supermarket to buy one. Okay, so today I decided for the simple one, not for the advanced. For the simple tutorial I was going to do a circle. So in the tutorial we're going to do a circle and a rectangle. I'm going to do a rectangle to show you how you can do it with any shape. First of all, we're going to go into a new sketch and we're going to click new sketch. We're going to click it in the bottom plane and we're going to choose our shape. In the advanced tutorial it will be different, but this is the simple one. So for example, I want a cookie cutter that's what calipers are for. I'll link in the description of the video. 5 useful tools for 3D printing. Calipers are one of them. I'll want a cookie cutter that is 50 millimeters by, let's make a squared one, 50 by 50. 50. And let's click intro. Now we're going to dimension this line 50. Sorry, I didn't type the 0. Now we're going to click offset, select the rectangle and create a 1.5 millimeter offset. 5 millimeter offset, and we're going to click OK and finish sketch. Now we're going to click E or extrude. So I clicked extrude and we're going to zoom in and we're going to select this. Now we're going to pull it up. 15 I recommend for cookie cutting experiences, from 10 to 15, but if you want a big cookie or sort of for a different type of baking type, I don't know, go ahead and do that. I'll do 13. 13 is nice. So now, and I'll put a slight taper angle so it joins what we're going to do right now. Don't worry about that. Now we're going to create a new sketch. It's here, and we're going to make another offset of this border. If you want to have the cookie cutter open on the top, you do this. If not, skip and I'll show it later. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to select the body and we're going to rotate. We're going to rotate in, click origin so we can see. We're going to rotate in this direction. In this direction, so we're going to flip it 180 degrees, and that's basically it. Now to make it smoother and better like a professional cookie cutter, we're going to use a fillet. And once we've gotten that look we want, we're going to click Save Design. Click Save Design, and we're going to click Rectangular Cookie Cutter. And we're going to save it. I know I spelled it wrong, but yeah, that's it. And we're going to export it for 3D printing. We're going to export the file for 3D print, STL, binary unit type millimeters, and refinement high, and we're going to click OK. And so that's basically it. We're going to export it, and 46 minutes. I'll come back when I finished. Now I'm going to show you the results of an excellent print. Hello guys, after 30 minutes of 3D printing, I've gotten my cookie cutter. It's a really nice cookie cutter for making cookies, and I think I nailed the dimensions, so that's a good job for us. And it's thick enough so it won't break, but so it's not super thick, and the fillets worked perfectly. The only thing, you have to print it in this orientation. Thank you very much, guys. If you've liked the video and getting content out of this, please like and subscribe down below. Thank you.